Let me ask you one question. Do you watch videos every single day? If you're like me, you probably watch videos on the internet all the time. Did you know that you can actually make money online just by doing exactly that? In this video, I will show you how to make money online just with the videos that you watch on YouTube. You can earn up to $20 with this method. All you need are your laptop or computer and internet connection. You can even do this with just your mobile phone. This is the earning potential of this method. You can earn $20 for one playlist video and earn $200 for 10 playlist videos. The best thing about this method is that this is 100% free. This method is available worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, you can do this and earn money over and over again. Stay tuned and watch the full video because I will be showing you some bonus tips and you can earn more money than anyone else. This is Hustleholic and welcome to the channel where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video. Let's get started. Let's go on YouTube right now and search for plank tutorial. You can see that there are many different results. You can also see that these types of videos have thousands of views. Now, let's utilize these videos so that we can earn money using today's method. The next thing that you're going to do is go to google.com and type in adfolk.us. Then, press on the search button. There are many results that you can see right here, but I want you to click on this first link. This is the homepage of the website. In this website, you can basically shrink, share, and earn. Here, you can shrink some URLs and share them on the internet and earn a lot of money. So let's give this a try. Go on YouTube and let's use this video right here as an example. Scroll down below and you will find this share button right here. I want you to click on the share button so you can see a YouTube link where you can share them on the internet. And every time people click on this link right here, they will be routed to this exact video. Once you copy this link, go back to adfolk.us and then paste your link right here to make it shorter. This website basically makes a long URL into a short one. Once a person clicks on the link, you're going to earn a lot of money. If people from the United States click on your link, you get to earn over $20. And if people from the United Kingdom click on your link, you get to earn over $10. This is a very good opportunity to earn money online just by sharing a simple link on the internet. Right now, I will show you how to sign up for a free account on this website. You can just go ahead and click on this sign up button right here. Then this window will pop up where it says join adfolk.us. All you have to do is type in the information needed, like email and password. Then just click on this I am not a robot box right here. And this agreement terms and condition box, and then click on the join now button. Once you log into your account, you can see this message right here that says you have incomplete account information. Please update your account information in order to get paid. It is important to update your account so that you can get paid when you cash out your earnings. Just click on this account setting link right here, and then you will land on this page that says account information. This is where you can update the information that is needed for your account. Just type in here your name, city, state, zip code, and country. As you can see here, they are available worldwide. Now, you can proceed and complete the information needed. When you're through with that, you can just click on this update information right here. This website pays out using PayPal, so that is very convenient and very easy for you. When you update your information, you can scroll down below right here on the automatic withdrawal section. You can read here that you can enable this option to automatically request a payment each month. So, it is very important for you to enable this option right here. Then after you click on Enable, click this Update button right here. Now, I will show you the payout rates by country. You can see that when people from the United States click on your link, you're going to earn over $20. And when people from, let's say, Nepal click on your link, you're going to earn over $1. That $19 difference is big. You can see right here that there are a lot of viral videos for doing planking. For example, this video right here. Let's scroll down below and click on this share button right here. And then this window will pop up. Click on this copy button right here, and now let's go back to adfolk.us and paste the link on this bar right here. Once you paste the link on this website, I want you to click on this shrink button. This website will automatically shorten the link that you pasted. Now, I want you to repeat this method 5 times. I want you to find 5 videos and copy the link of those videos and shorten them on this website. The next thing that you are going to do is go to this website called forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a very famous website because a lot of people come on here to learn how to lose weight and be healthy. When you scroll down below, you can see here many posts about exercises and how to stay healthy. You can see here the views of each post, and a lot of people are viewing these posts. For example, a lot of these have over 10,000 views on this website. The first thing that I want you to do when you go onto this website is to click on this flag button right here. You can see here that you can actually select different countries. Now, I want you to click on the United States to earn $20 per click, and that is very amazing. For example, the post right here, you can click on that so that you can know what the hot topic is right now. And to know more about this post, you can see here that in this post, the people are leaving links that lead to videos. This is a very good method to get traffic and to get many people around the world to click on your link. Right now, I want you to share with the planking post template so that you can get an idea on what to post on these forums. First, I will give out information about planking. You can search on Google for that, and when you scroll down below, you can see that I put in the links that lead to a planking tutorials video. I recommend that you put up 5 or more videos so that you can earn more money when people click on your links. That's how you're going to earn money with this method. That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.